Good afternoon everyone. Karon na napuntay bag-o kaayo gid nga balay sa makita ninyo no ang ato ang virtual site tour for today. This is seated in a 300 square meter lot area and this is 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. So, pagsulod na to no naka-automatic ang ihang gate. See, automatic yung gate guys, remote controlled siya. And then mubungad dayon sa inyo ang 4-car carport or car garage which is kani siya nga grabe kaayo ka luag no. Some of you might use this as your events area as well, personal events area and whatnot. But this is such a very spacious garage. So mosulod dayon ta diri sa balay para makita nato siya no. Wide pod kayo diri ang area for anything that you would like, such as your breakfast or mga coffee area or diba yung tambayanan lang pagkahapon or every morning. And as you can see, ang main door has its smart lock, so you can access this in a private manner no. And then yun tumubungad sa inyo diretso ang living area na very spacious food, and then ang dining area, and the usual thing na ato ang ma-feature sa ato ang house since the start is open kitchen siya guys. So, granite ang ihang slab, and then naka-built-in na yung mga cabinets, and this is fairly new pa yun, as you can see. And then ang mga ceiling kay naka-cove lighting, naka-pin lights and whatnot, and then very conscious kayo sila no, sa pagbutang sa ilahang mga furnitures because for this one, para na siya sa refrigerator. And then, firstly, makita po na to diri sa ground floor na ang iyahang storage area, which is very smart siya kay gigamit nila ang space gikan sa stairs. So, that's the storage area. And then, going here is your first bedroom diri as ground floor out of the 4 bedrooms, no? Which is this one, na siya built-in cabinets. And by the way, 6 nga split type aircon daw ilahang ihatag for free for this property. So, yun. So, convenience-wise, okay na dyan siya kaayo. And then, your first common toilet and bath located here sa ground floor. Diba? Nice kaayo dyan. Hotel-like kaayo siya of design, modern, zen house. And then there is a likod also, we have the common dirty kitchen, which is this one. And nani siya access padulong dito sa 4-car garage ninyo. Luag pod kayo dito sa likod. You can still put here your outdoor nga dining table. Diba? And then, very huge na best tank, duha pa dyan kabuok nga pressure, water pressure. And then, gasangga daw na siya og ulan, guys. So, yun. Let's go upstairs so we can see the 3 bedrooms sa taas. And by the way, naapay access diri padulong sa car garage. Nice, no? And yun. Cool pud kayo ang ilang stairs because dili siya guot. Diba? Ooh, okay. Modern yun kaayo siya. As in very, very modern house. And then, pag sulod diri, naagpigid siya very spacious sa second floor that you can still use as your second living area as well. So, starting off with our first bedroom diri as a second floor, technically the second bedroom. This one, na siya, naka-cove lighting, naka-pin lines, and naka built-in cabinets. And it has its own balcony as well. Each room or angle of this house has its own terrace and balcony. So, diri upon sa second bedroom sa second floor, or technically the third bedroom all throughout the house is larger than the first rooms that we saw a while ago. And then naa siya po'y access sa balcony here in front of the house. As you go outside here, guys, it's so refreshing as well. Nga makita po nimo ang view sa imuhang mga neighborhood. And then, you can also use this as your tambayanan, coffeehan, and whatnot. No? And then, another general terrace for everyone. For the second floor is this one. So ganahan kasi silang terrace, guys. Imagine every angle of the house na ay terrace and balcony. And then, for common ensuite is this one. Nice din siya. Pang hotel kayo dyan siya nga experience. And then, on to the last bedroom, which I fairly think mo ni ang master bedroom because this is the biggest room among all the 4 bedrooms that we saw a while ago. Na siya yung own toilet and bath. Yeah. Nice. Then, napod siya iyang own built-in cabinets. And plus, na siya yung own pud niya nga terrace and balcony. So this has been Cyrus, a sales manager of DK Realty Philippines. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!